Next exercise is the prone plank. With the prone plank, we're looking to build muscular endurance in the anterior part of the core, into the posterior part of the core with the glutes, and in through our shoulder girdle. Initially, for a beginner, we're gonna come down and we're gonna make sure that the hand, elbow, and shoulder are all in line. I don't want you to bring your hands together. We wanna make sure we're getting the most work out of our shoulders by keeping everything parallel. For a beginner, you're going to come into that position, shoulder and elbow in line, and then you're just gonna gently walk your knees back a little bit. You're going to tuck your chin and keep a neutral spine. This is beginner version. When you can do this for 2 minutes, then you can start the more advanced version where we come up off the knees. Same thing, I've got a neutral spine. So I'm not up and rounding, I'm squeezing my butt, neutral spine, tucking my chin, I'm pulling my belly button in towards my spine. I'm holding this position for 2 minutes. Once you can achieve it for 2 minutes, we slowly add 10 to 20% onto your time every 2 to 3 weeks until you can hold it for the full 5 minutes.